This is my beans. I have finished washing it. I washed it for the second time. See how clean the second water is. So I'm now putting it back in the pot. Let me get this one out and join it together. It's in the pot. So I want to add it water. Let me put it back to the fire. The next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to put everything now. Like, I'm not going to wait for the beans to done. I'm going to put everything direct now that I've already put it in the fire. Now let me start adding everything. Here is my star maggi. I'm adding it. I'm putting two of it.
Wow.
And I have my pepper. This is one of my Cameroon pepper that I'm adding. This is one of my pepper that I'm adding. I'm adding another one. I'm adding another pepper. Now this is the third one. There's 3 of it. Remember I said we don't have to wait for the beans to done before we start adding everything. These my onions. Just added my onions now. My salt. Add my salt. Add my palm oil in it. Add my palm oil. I'll now leave everything to cook together. There is this thing that people normally say that whenever you add all the ingredients in your beans, that the beans will not done again. It's a lie, guys. Just watch this one. How it's going to get done properly. See how it's going to done very well. I finished adding everything that I need to eat, the maggi, the pepper, the salt, everything. I will now cover it for it to cook. This is the outcome of our beans. Guys, can you see? And look, very soft. Look at. Very soft.